Man, I've been trying to figure out how to do this stupid.
It's but a dream sometimes with no reality. The block is a war every day. It's a casualty. You can try to turn me down, but can't ever handle me. Burning kush like the wax out of Candleby. Came from the bottom, but I'm focused on the top though. Want a lot of cheese like a store full of nachos. Wanna try me? I'll let you know that I do not go. Hit him with the burner, knock the meat out of taco. Trying to get them free bands. Call me Little Rocco. You want a couple ounces, but I'm...
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Life with JBZ, and we're back with another video today. Got another parts video, man. Clear headlights, the blinker lights, bumper lights, whatever you want to call them. They are getting installed today. Actually figured out how to do this on accident. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but there go one of the old ones. So we're gonna be putting that in today. I got some more bolts to put in. If you guys remember from the last video, I ended up changing my doors, the door handles. So I got some more screws and stuff to just finish tightening all of that up. You know, a couple of other things today. Stick with your boy. Follow the journey. You can clearly see the difference between the new one and that dimmed out yellow one. And we gotta change that crack, man. We putting it back together, man. I haven't came up with a name for my car yet. Yeah, man, I'm gonna come up with that sooner than later. And if you're wondering where my wheel is, man, don't worry about that. I'm fixing it right this second. And for y'all that wanna know, man, you got 3 bolts. It's a bolt under here, that one there. You got 2 bolts above the lights. They are the same. It's a 6-star tool. I don't know what size. Don't get me, man. I'm not technical with it.